Let's make an Amethyst Mojito. I've gotten in the habit of naming the drinks in which I use my butterfly pea syrup Amethyst. I've got an Amethyst Caipirinha, I've got an Amethyst Daiquiri, and now an Amethyst Mojito. And the reason I call it an Amethyst Mojito or an Amethyst drink of any sort is because it's amethyst purple in color. I do have a video with the history of the Mojito here on the channel. Link will be down below if you'd like to check that out. I also have a recipe for the butterfly pea syrup. If you'd like to make that, recipe for that will be listed down below as well. A note on the rum. I did go with 2 ounces of rum in this drink, and I'm going with 2 different types of rum at 1 ounce each. I'm using Trader Joe's Rum of the Gods. You can use the white or the gold, up to you. If you have another white rum that you would like to try in this drink, feel free to do so. As always, if it works out great, let me know in the comments down below. The other rum I'm going to be using is Clement Rum Agricole, and I'm probably saying Clement incorrectly because it's French and I don't speak French. Again, use a rum agricole of your choice, and if it works out great, let me know in the comments down below. To make this drink, we're going to start by putting exactly 14 mint leaves into the bottom of the glass. And we do have mint growing in our backyard now. I'm so excited because it's nice and sturdy. Oh, I should be counting. And you don't have to do exactly 14. My point is, put in a lot of mint. I'll be back with you in a moment. 14 mint leaves in the glass. 1 ounce of lime juice in the glass. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. 1 ounce of your butterfly pea syrup. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. And now I'm going to muddle those in the bottom of the glass. I don't know if you saw the color change. It'll be more evident as I put more stuff in here. Now I'm going to add in some ice. Ooh, splash. I guess I'm only getting 3 cubes in there. 1 ounce of your rum. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. And 1 ounce of your rum agricole. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. Now, I'm gonna give this a stir and a churn. I think I can get 1 more ice cube in there. Let's do it, 1 more ice cube. Using my hands, my wife is gonna drink it. She hasn't complained yet. Top it off with some club soda, and I'm using Schweppes. You can use club soda of your choice. And if you want, give it another little gentle stir. We don't want to lose all the bubbles. Add a straw. Garnish with a sprig of mint. This is what you get for growing in my backyard. And there you have it, an Amethyst Mojito. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day, what else can I make with butterfly pea syrup? Let me know in the comments down below. I'd prefer if it's a drink. I would prefer is used rum, and you can get points for all those things. Just let me know. Note there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts. If you want a t-shirt, you can contact me through any of the social media links down below, and we can get you a t-shirt. While you're at the social media link, and might as well follow and subscribe and do that sort of thing. Slow down my words. Finally, if you made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything that I do. And until next time, cheers.